Continuing a course lectures on CBME, curriculum-based medical education, historical aspects. Three important persons which I am going to talk: Anthony von Leeuwenhoek, Ignaz Samuel Weiss, and Edward Jenner. Ignaz Samuel Weiss found that nurses coming from the lecture classes, conducted delivery versus students coming from the dissection hall who conducted delivery. He found that a lot of high infection, purple sepsis among the delivery conducted by the medical students. He said simple hand washing with soap and water prevents the purple sepsis. People called him insane. In fact, he spent a lot of last few years of life in the mental asylum. So now in the last 2 years, we had a protocol of hand washing, wearing a mask and social distancing during COVID pandemic. So Ignaz Samuel Weiss is called as father of hand washing. Anthony von Leeuwenhoek is discovered microscope. He's a draper, cloth merchant, and he called all of his friends to a party one night and showed small moving objects in the wine. That day, people who gathered in the party took oath that they will not drink wine in their life, but it was short-lived. They started drinking. So after the discovery of microscope, all the things started, all the organisms were discovered, and in fact he is also called as father of microbiology. Now Edward Jenner is called father of vaccinology. Vacca means cow. He used cowpox virus to prevent smallpox. Vaccinia gives rise to smallpox. Variola gives rise to smallpox. Variola gives rise to smallpox. So Jenner suffered from smallpox at the age of 9. He underwent variolation. What is variolation? Variolation was practiced in India and China before in UK, and they used to make a powder of healing crust of smallpox virus, insufflate into the nose and insufflate into nose, and people used to die of smallpox because live virus were present. And Edward Jenner was practicing physician in the Berkeley. He was told by milkmaid Sarah Maids that she has suffered from cowpox. She will not suffer from smallpox. She will remain beautiful throughout life. He took that as a clue. He grew the virus in the udder of the cow and got hold of a boy called James Phipps. He inoculated with cowpox virus and subsequently challenged smallpox virus. That boy survived. That is the history of smallpox vaccine, and previously there were a lot of hesitancy to take this vaccine. It moved to the US, then came back to London. From 1980 there are no smallpox cases, just global eradication of smallpox. So this is a part of history you should be known. These are the oral questions you should remember. This will be asked in your NEET PG questions also. Smallpox vaccine, you should remember Edward Jenner. Microscope, you should remember Anthony von Leeuwenhoek. Hand washing, you should know Ignaz Samuel Weiss.